English. But before we begin our lesson, we will say a short prayer. Okay? Now join your hand and close your eyes and repeat after me. Okay, children? Dear God, thank you for a lovely day. Please go before me and clear the way. God, thank you for protecting me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for guiding me. God, thank you for all I need. Thank you, God. Now, student, open your eyes. Yes. Now, okay, children. Now, okay. Now you all are ready. Today, I am going to teach you English. Okay. Now, before that, are you interested in listening story? Yeah. Yes, actually, they all like to listen story, interesting story with nice. Means we are liking so much story now at end. What will happen? Crazy. We are crazy to know what will happen at the end. Okay, student. So today I am going to narrate you a story. You all are ready? Okay. So student, now what I am saying, you all sit straight and listen to the story. This story is about the noble stag, the noble stag. Okay, this story is about the noble stag. Stag means what, you know? Stag means male deer. You know animal? Yeah. Okay, you all know animal? Yes, the noble stag. You all know the animal? In animal, the male deer is called stag. Okay. And what is noble? Noble? Noble means kind. Okay. Noble means kind. Okay. Today we will learn about the kind deer. Kind deer. Noble stag. Means the stag is very kind. Okay. Now see student, I am sharing you presentation. You all wait and you see the screen. Online education, standard third, subject English. Okay, student, I am narrating it, the story to you all. Now see, the noble stag. Okay, this story is about the deer and he is very kind. Okay, so now see, I am reading. Now you all have to see on the screen. Okay, and I will explain you. I will narrate you the story. As we all know, King Brahmadatta of Banaras was extreme fond of hunting. See, he is king of Banaras and his name is King Brahmadatta and he means for hunting. He is very fond. He is extremely fond that he want to go for hunting and he want to hunt the animals. Okay. Now see next picture. Luckily from him, on the outskirts of his city was a huge forest filled with deer. See, luckily he was in his city only outside. Outskirt means outside of the city. There was a huge forest, big forest. Okay. And that forest was filled with deer. That forest was filled with deer. There were so many deers in that forest. Now see, among them there was a mighty stag. See, among them there was one stag and he was very mighty, intelligent. Okay. Now see, one fine day, king had gone hunting with his courtiers. King went for hunting with his courtiers. Courtiers mean people who are belonging to the kingdom and they are king's servant. They are working with the king. Okay. So he went with some of his courtiers. They went with king. Now see, he told his courtiers, if you allow even a single deer to escape, he told his courtiers, if you allow a single deer to escape, I will punish you all severally. Means he said is a warn his courtiers. If you will allow now deer to escape, then see, I will punish you all. See next picture. So this courtiers, they get scared of the king. Now if one also deer will escape, then we will get punishment. So they said, now we will form a circle. See, so the courtiers form a tight circle from which no deer could escape. Now they said, okay, we will not allow the deer to escape. So they form a circle. Okay. Then they began to beat their sticks on the ground to frighten the deer hiding in the bushes and make them run out. See, they were beating their stick on the ground, in the bushes and everywhere, so that this deer, they will get scared and they will run out from the bushes. See, this trees is there, so many trees and all. From this, they were thinking that deer will come out. And see what happened. The only way out of the circle was through a small clearing where the king stood ready with a bow and arrow. See, no place was there. See, they were in circle, no space. Only the place was near the king. You can see in this picture now. Only little place was there near the king, and the king was standing with bow and arrow, that as soon as deer come, I will hit him. Okay. The courtiers were beating their stick on the ground and shouting when suddenly a stag leaped out of the thickest. See, they were beating the stick on the ground in the bushes, and suddenly a stag came out from this thickest, from this forest, these bushes. The stag came out. The stag saw the king was standing in the way. See, the stag saw this king is standing in the way. Now he is not able to go because in the circle only he is. And around here and there, king and courtiers were standing. Okay. So he looked the straight in the eyes, in the king eyes, and make a dash towards him. See, he looked into the king eyes and he dashed the king, means he hashed the king, he pushed the king. Now see what happened. The king taken back back and shot an arrow toward the stag hurriedly. See, the king, he took his sword. In this picture you can see now in his hand, and he start arrowing towards shooting towards the stag. Okay. Of course, it missed the mark, but rolled over. See, this mark now, it was missed by the king, and the stag, he rolled over. Stag, he rolled over here and there. Okay. Now see, now there is one thing that you have known about the stag. This stag is very much intelligent. Okay, he know how to manipulate the king, how to trick the king. So he did this way, he rolled over. Now see next picture. It has excellent instincts and in extreme good at dodging. This stag was having, means from instance, means from inside the quality. He was having this quality of good dodging. Arrow from here and there, wherever the arrow was coming, front, back, up, down, he was having so much dodging and all in his body. Now he was moving up, down when arrow was coming, and he was not able to shoot by the king. If the arrow is aimed at its belly, it pretends to roll over and then jump up. And once the danger is past, see, he was seeing if the arrow is coming to his belly now, so he was rolling, he was jumping, and once the danger was past, then he was okay. Like this way, he was rolling, he was jumping, so that the arrow will not touch to him, it will go here and there. So when the stag rolled over, the king thought, that this arrow had found its mark. See, when the stag was rolling now, the king thought that now so I have marked it. Means now I have shoot the stag. So see what happened. He lowered his bow and began to walk toward the stag. Now see the king now he lower his bow. See this in this picture you can see now. He's keeping his bow down and he's walking toward the stag to see I have hit him now. But stag suddenly jump and shoot past the man. See, stag he jump and he ran from there. Okay. When the courtiers realized that king had been mistaken, they start laughing. When the courtiers saw this all, that again and again king is throwing arrow, but no use. So they started laughing that king is missing it mark. Okay, now see next picture. Now king thought himself to be an excellent marksman and could not bear the taunt of his man. See, king thought that I am the excellent marksman. Marksman means who is good in aiming in the target. Okay, so he thought I am the excellent and I can't bear of my man that taunting me, giving all like unbelievable words like we are saying ha, we are laughing at our friends if they are not able to do anything like that way. So his courtiers also start laughing at them, at the king, and he feel very bad. King feel very bad. How come my courtiers are laughing at me just because of I missed one mark? I was not able to kill one deer. Now see next picture what happened. He grabbed his sword and set off into the forest in order to catch the stag. See, now what happened? King, he took out his sword and he ran towards the stag into the forest. Now to catch him. He chased the stag for quite a while and covered a long distance. He was running through the stag for long distance. Stag was running, king was running. They both were running for long distance. The stag came upon a hole in the ground and that was covered by rotting trees and filled with slime. See, the stag came near the hole. See this in this picture you can see now. Hole is there. Okay, he came near the hole and he can smell. See, children, you know, animal have good sense of smelling. They can smell. Okay, they are having good sense of smelling. So he smelled from far away only he was able to smell. But when he came nearby, he smelled and he seen that there was a hole in that was covered with a rotten trees and filled with slime. The water and all dirty water and all was in that hole. So the stag was so very much intelligent. So what he did, from a distance it could smell the water. So he be carefully and run from over there. He has seen the hole. So carefully he has from the nearby only he went. But the king could not sense the pit and fell into the pit. See, the king was not able to smell what is this and what why this is maybe a hole and all. No, he was not able to smell and he fall into the pit. Now see next picture. After a while, the stag realized that he is not being followed any longer. Now the stag was thinking, after a while he realized that no one is coming back to me. He thought that the king was so back of me. Where the king went? He was in that thought. What happened to the king? Then now you see in next picture, he understood that the king had perhaps fallen into the pit. Then he understood maybe the king must have fallen into the pit. Okay, and see his thought is what now we will see next picture. So the stag went back to the pit and saw the king struggling for his life. See, the stag went back to the pit and he saw that king is there in that pit, in that hole. The king is there and he's struggling for his life. Okay. The stag felt very sorry for the king. See in this picture, stag was feeling very bad for the king that because of me, he was running back to me and he fall into the pit. The stag was mighty. he was kind, okay, he was noble. So he feel this way that because of me, this king is in the hole. He feel very bad. Now what happened? The stag, he decided to save the king's life. See in this picture, he see that the king, he decided to save the king's life even though king was following him with the intention to kill him. Even though king was thinking, I will kill this stag today. But then too, stag was noble and kind. So he thought, no, I will help this king. Okay. Now see next picture. The stag told the king, do not worry and be brave for a while. The stag said the king, don't worry, I am there and you be brave for some time. Okay, this way the stag said the king. In next picture, see, then he caught a huge rock with his hind legs and lowered himself into the pit. Now see, the stag was intelligent also, and so what he did with his hind leg means backside two legs. See in this picture you can see now, he is catching a rock with his hind leg. See in this picture, you can see with his hind leg, he is catching a rock. Okay. And then what he is doing? He is lowered himself into the pit. He is putting himself into the pit. Now see. Now the king thought, caught hold of his neck and the stag came out onto the level ground and carried the king to the safety. Now see king, what he is doing in this picture, king is holding the neck of a deer, okay, and the stag is then climbing out of the level to the ground. He's coming to the ground and he brought king also safety to the life. Now king is also safe. In this picture you can see now, king is holding the deer's neck, stag neck, and deer is, the stag is slowly coming on to the level of the ground, and because of this, the king life is saved. Now see in this picture, you can see stag and the king both. Yes, the king thanks the noble stag again and again. He was thanking the noble stag. Thank you so much. Thank you so much that you saved my life. And he was very much happy with the stag. I was having an intention to kill him. Then too, this stag saved my life. And he asked him to return with him to the Banaras. The king said, you come with me to the Banaras. Okay, the king was requesting the stag to come with him to the Banaras city, where he could have everything and anything he wants. The king was saying, whatever you want, I will give you over there. You come with me to the Banaras. Okay, children, do you think the stag would have gone with the king? Yes or no? No, the stag, but the stag did not want anything in the return for his help. The stag was saying, I don't want anything in the return. Okay, he was saying, I am happy in my forest only. He just requested the king to rule wise and well and be kind to the animal. He said, the king, only one thing you do for me, you be kind to the animal. Don't hunt any animal. Don't harm them. You be kind to them. Only that much he requested the king. And then the noble stag disappeared in the forest. This stag, they went in the forest. He went in the forest. He disappeared. He was not able to see where he went. King Brahmadatta then vowed not to hurt or hunt or hurt any animal. From that day, King Brahmadatta promised to himself that I am not going to hurt or hunt any animal. Okay, children? Now we will learn meaning. Okay, outskirt, the outer part of a city or town. Outskirt means the city and town which were outside of the town. Okay, country, courtiers, the person present at the court of the king. Courtiers means the person present at the court of the king. Okay. Thickest, an area full of trees and bushes growing closely together. See, all trees, bushes, they were very close to each other. This is called thickest. Grab, to take suddenly. Grab means to take suddenly, means to how the king has grabbed the sword in his hand, like that way. Slime, unpleasant, thick liquid substance. This is the slime means thick substance, okay, liquid substance. Marksman, a person who can shoot very well and proper to the mark. See, markman, a person who can shoot very well, okay, to the mark, up to the mark, till the mark he can shoot, like that way. It's called marksman. Intention, what you plan purposely. Intention means whatever you are planning purposely to do. Okay, that is called as intention. Dash, to hit with a great force. Dash means to hit with a great force. This story was about, yes, stag. Okay, this story was about the stag. This story was about the stag. Okay, and stag and, yes, good. This story was about the stag and the king. Okay, this is very interesting story. I will narrate you this story again in a short. Okay, now see, the noble stag. Noble stag means, noble means kind, and stag means a male deer. Okay, in the King Brahmadatta of Banaras, he was very fond of hunting. He was thinking, he liked very much hunting. So he went with his courtiers on hunting near his city only, outskirts of his city, outside of his city only. There was a huge forest, and in that forest now there was a deer, famous for the deer. Okay, and among them there was one mighty stag. Okay, he was very intelligent. So the king said his courtiers, see, I have come here for hunting. If you allow a single deer to escape from here, I will punish you all very severely. The courtiers get scared and they said, what we will do now? King may punish us if we will not, if we will allow single deer to escape. So courtiers, they thought, and they form a circle nearby so that one single deer should not go out. So what happened, you know? They form a circle and they took stick in his hand, their hand, and they started banging to the bushes, ground here and there, so the deer will get scared, the stag will get scared and it come out from the bushes. Okay, now see what happened. You know, when we are going on hunting and all now, animals, they are getting scared and they are running for their life. Okay, the same way deer was also scared, the stag was also scared, and he came out of the bushes and he saw, when he came out, he saw king is standing and all courtiers are standing nearby, no place to go, from where I will go. But he was mighty, he was smart. So what he did, now see, he dash to the king. Okay, and when king in hurriedly removed his sword and he was hitting to the stag, but what happened, he missed his mark. Okay, he missed his mark, and what, when again and again the stag was seeing from the arrows coming, so he's rolling, he's jumping here and there, he is going, and king was, every time king was missing his mark. And when courtiers seen this, and they started laughing, like we are also doing now, our friend, if they are doing mistake now, so we are getting so much, we are feeling laughing, so like that way. Okay, so this courtier start laughing and king feel very bad. I was so good marksman. How come my people are laughing at me? No, the king get angry and he removed his sword and he went to the back to the stag. He was running towards the stag. Okay, far away till the jungle, the forest only. They were running and running. So what happened? Suddenly, stag, he saw a hole in the forest, in the middle of the forest. There was a hole. So from the far away, stag was able to smell that something is there. because animals are having good sense of smelling. So he thought, then when he went near the hole, he saw there is a pit, and in that pit now there was a all rotten trees and all, and slime water, all dirty water and all. So Stag was smart. So he went from there side, from the side he went, because he know that it is the hole. If I will go in, I will fall in the hole. So he went from a side. Okay, and he started running. And suddenly after that, king come, but he was not able to smell. So he, what happened? He fall into the hole. King fall into the hole. And after some time, Stag realized, now no one is back of me. Where is the king? Where are the courtier? He thought, might the king must have fallen into the pit, the hole. Then he thought, now I will go and check in that place. He went that place back and he checked the king was inside that hole. And he feel very bad because this Stag was noble, he was kind, so he felt very bad he felt. So he was thinking, what is this? Because of me, the king is in the hole. So he said, don't worry, king, I will help you out. Be brave. For some time, be brave. So he was intelligent. What he did, he catch a rock with his hind leg and lowered himself into the pit, into the hole. And king hold the stag neck and came out of the hole. Okay. And after that, they both were out and king was very happy. This animal so nice he is. I was having an intention to kill him. But see, he is so helping me. He was very happy and he said, he requested to the stag, come with me to the Banaras city. He said, the stag, you come with me to the Banaras city. But what happened? King was saying, Stag was saying, no, I don't want to come anywhere. I am happy in my forest. But one request I am saying you, that you never hurt animal. You never harm animal. So king said, from that day, king promised to himself, I will never hunt and hurt animal. Okay, student? You all understood this story? Yes? Isn't it good? Yeah, very good. Now we will do one activity. You all like the activity? Okay. What is this? Yes? Can everyone say this? What is this? Yeah, this is ice cream. Very good. Today we are going to do ice cream activity. You all like ice cream? And now, yeah. So we will do ice cream activity. Okay, you all like now ice cream? Yes. Where does the stag live? I'm going to ask you some question. Let's see you are able to decorate this ice cream with that question or not. Where was stag live? Where does stag live? This story is about whom? First say me that. This story is about whom? This story is about? Yes, stag. This story is about stag. Very good. Where does the stag live? Where stag was living? Where stag was living? Yes, forest. Where stag was living? Forest. Very good. Banaras to king was living. Okay. The stag was living in the. How was the stag? What was the nature of a stag? What was the nature of a stag? Noble. The stag was noble. Very good. The stag was noble. He was very kind. Do the stag save king's life? Yes. Stag saves king's life. Very good. Yes. Okay. This story is about stag. And where he stay? in the forest. Okay. And yes, the stag saved the king life. Okay. The stories of the stag and there are two characters in the story, stag and yes, very good, king. Very good. The stories of the stag and the king. In this story, there are two people, stag and the king. Okay. Okay. Okay, from where does this king live? Where this king live? Where was his place? Where he was from? Yes. What was this king name? First, say me that. What was the king name? What was his name? King name was what? Brahmadatta. What was the king name? Yes, very good. Brahmadatta. King name was Brahmadatta. Okay. And where does he sleep? Where does he was staying? Yes, Banaras. King was staying near Banaras city. Very good. Good girl. And what was king fond of? What he liked very much to do? Yes. What king was fond of? Hunting. King was fond of hunting. Very good. Good. King was fond of hunting. Okay. What was the first weapon king used? First weapon? Yes. Yes. Same is to the first weapon when king was going on hunting. What was the first weapon he used? Bow and arrow. Bow and arrow. Very good. The king first weapon the king used bow and arrow. Okay. This is ice cream activity. And we have learned the lessons on ice cream and the stories. See, this story is about the stag. Okay. This story is about the stag. And the stag live in the forest. Where does the stag live? In the forest. How was the stag? He was noble. Who the stag saved king's life? Huh? Stag was so noble, so naturally he saved king's life. He was very kind person. Okay, what was this story about? The king and the stag and the king. See, the story is about two people are there. One is king and one is stag. Okay. Now see, what was king name? Brahmadatta. What was this king's name? Brahmadatta. Very good. And from where this king was? This king was from Banaras city. Yes, very good. And what this king liked to do? He was very fond of hunting. So he was liking to hunt. And what was his first weapon? He was using two weapons to in intention to kill the stag. First weapon was bow and arrow. You all like this activity? Ice cream activity you all like? Okay, good. I have one more activity for you. Y'all are ready? Yes? Okay. This is opposite word. What is this? Opposite word. Today we are doing another activity of opposite word. Okay. Open. What will be the opposite of open? Yes? Y'all can see it? Open opposite will be closed. Very good. Open, closed. Very good. Open, closed. Up, opposite of up, up, down. Very good. Up, down. Very good. This is what? Rough. Rough opposite. Rough, smooth. Very good. Smooth. Rough, smooth. Very good. Good children. In opposite. Yes. Out. Very good. Good children. Very good. You all are out. Yes. Good. You all are taking interest in testing. Very good. Sad. What will be the opposite of sad? Happy. Very good. Happy. Very good. Good. Wet. Wet. Wet opposite. Dry. Very good. Dry. Wet. Dry. Very good. Far. Far. Near. Very good. Near. Near. Okay. You all seen this activity? Second activity. Yes. This is opposite word. Open. Open. Close. Open. Close. Okay. Next is up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay. Now rough. Rough is there. Rough, hard. Then smooth. Smooth. We are touching something. Teddy bear and all that is smooth. Okay. In, out. In, out. In, out. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy. Wet. Dry. Wet. Dry. Far. Near. Far. Near. Okay. Children, you all understood? You all like this activity of opposite word? Yes? Okay, very good. You all like now? Very good. And this ice cream activity? Yes, you all like this ice cream activity? Yes, okay. This was ice cream activity and this was opposite word activity. Okay, now see. See this? The story was about Stag and the King. The two character was there in the story. Again, I am narrating you so that it will be in your mind and you can think of the story. You have to read the story nicely. It is very interesting story. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah, very good. This story is very interesting. So this story is about Stag and the King. The stag lived in the forest and he was very noble and kind and he saved King's life. Okay. Now see, second character was King and his name was King Brahmadatta and he was from Banaras. Okay. And he was very fond of hunting and he used bow and arrow in his hand. Okay, student? Fine. You all like this story or not? Yes? Now, okay, you all can give me answer. How